Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Valeria or Fluorescence UV. Today's video is going to be about my monthly hauls, what I've been doing, especially now because this one's a little bit more different because I'm in quarantine. I've been quarantined for like 2 weeks now, and I thought my makeup shopping was going to decrease, but it's still pretty steady. If you're excited to see what I've purchased this month, then just keep on watching. For the first product that I purchased in the beginning of the month, I'm a little on the fence of it right now. I've been on a breakout journey, like a very bad acne journey, so I don't know what's causing me to break out, but I have a feeling it's this product that I've repurchased. So the product that I bought in the beginning of the month is my DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. I'm a little bit upset because I bought this because I didn't think this was breaking me out, but I saw a thread on Twitter where it says, some girl asked, oh, what are the products that made you break out? And a lot of people were liking someone's post that said this broke them out. I do have a feeling it is this, and I bought another one without knowing. This was before I discovered that tweet, so if I'm able to within the next month, because it's April 2nd today, so we're still going to be quarantined till the 30th, so probably in May I will for sure try to return this onto more positive things. 21 days of beauty started, and I for sure was not going to let that not let me buy makeup. Fortunately, I'm getting paid while I am in quarantine. I'm blessed, and I do not take that for granted because I have nothing else to do but stay at home, be on my phone. I want to buy more makeup. I decided to partake into the 21 days of beauty. When the day arrived, I decided to buy the Lilly Lashes. They were 50% off. I bought 3 pairs. I've already used one, as you can tell. So I bought Miami lashes, I bought Mykonos lashes, and then I bought Miami Flare lashes. Originally they are $26, but I paid only $13 for each pair, so I thought it was a steal for sure. I have a bunch of lashes, but I've always heard Lilly lashes are really good. I didn't want to pay that $26 range, so I paid the $13 range. And I've already tried the Miami Flares, and they're really beautiful, so I'm excited to try the other 2 styles. Then I went in with the JCAT concealer in the shade Soft Tan. I don't know why I thought I was the shade Soft Tan. It is a little bit too dark. I've already used it a couple of times. What I like to do is if I have a concealer that is a little bit too light, I like to mix this in or put this all around my face, and it's really hydrating. It's really nice. Yeah, I might just buy another color just so it can match me, and as you can tell, it's pretty dark compared to my hand right now. So I just have to wait until I get another one. I probably might buy it within this month, but the formula is really good. The concealer was $6 originally. It's only $8, so I had like a $2 discount. Then the next thing I decided to get was the Cover FX Dewy Skin Primer. It's the hydrating one. This was $19. It was on sale. It was half off. Originally it's $38. I don't like this. It's like a different type of silicone, but the thing that I really don't like the most about it is the smell. I don't know, it's really strong, and it just, like, you could see how greasy it is, so maybe this is like cool for like editorials. I don't know. The light hits it, you see how greasy it is. It just sits on your face. It doesn't like sink in, which is what I don't like about it. I might have to give this away to one of my friends or just return it, because yeah, I wasn't a fan of this one. The smell is what gets to me the most. Don't kill me, but I went to Target because I had to buy some things. Actually, I had to buy my Ripple milk, and because I went to go buy my Ripple milk, I decided to look into the beauty section to see what I can buy. From Target is actually these e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadows. They're 4 little eyeshadows, and they're super cute. They're $3. I got 2 of them because they were the only 2 that were there. And I've been seeing everyone on TikTok and Instagram using them, and even on YouTube, so I was really interested. Juicy Jazz was using them, and it looked really nice, especially this blue one. And so I haven't tried them yet, but I'm excited too. I saw this in the like really cheap area where it's in the entrance of the store, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like the $1 to $5 range. So I found this bar soap. It's a craft bar soap, rose scented. It was $3 as well, so this was really inexpensive. The only reason why I decided to get this is because I wanted to try the soap bar trend. I'm obsessed with the soap bar trend now. Like, I don't even want to use brow gel anymore. That's how obsessed I am with it. I really like how my eyebrows stay structured and they don't move around. Again, because of my acne journey that's been going through this whole quarantine, I have been very desperate to figure out what the fuck's going on. So I've been doing research, and I've actually ordered some things online to see what products would help me out the most. Unfortunately, it hasn't gotten here yet, so I'm just pulling it up on my phone. The first thing that I decided to get was from Paulas Choice, was the Clear Regular Strength Kit, and then the Skin Recovery Hydrating Treat Mask. Just because the Clear Regular Strength Kit, it has benzoyl peroxide in it, and it only has 2.5%, which when I was looking into buying either the regular or the extra strength clear kit, I noticed that my acne, it's in the mild category because I have a lot of redness and I have a lot of whiteheads, so it looks like I was having a reaction to something instead of having like very bad cystic acne that's under the skin, that's painful. Like I couldn't touch it, or I couldn't put anything on my face. The reason why I decided to go with this kit is because I was reading online and I was seeing that dermatologists usually like to prescribe benzoyl peroxide, and if you don't want to do it where you have to go to the dermatologist, you can try to find things that, like, products that have it. And I just got the hydrating mask because I am going to be using a lot of harsh chemicals on my skin, a lot of harsh products, so I really do want to make sure my moisture barrier isn't harmed as much and my skin doesn't dry up. Let's move on and let's get away from this acne talk. For the next thing, I did a lot of online shopping, like a lot of Amazon online shopping. The reason is because, like every other girl in this pandemic, my nails were gel and they were fucking busted. So I had to take off the hard gel just because they were already outgrown. Like, it was already my 2 weeks and I needed to get it done, and I just wanted to remove them. So I went the safer way of how to remove them. Like, I wasn't clucking them out. I tried to soak them as much as possible, gave myself like a full week. But now my nails are really ratchet. I haven't fixed them. And the reason why I haven't fixed them is because I was waiting for these fucking orders. So from Amazon, the things that I decided to get were actually this gelish Fantastic Four set. I remember my old nail tech used to use this on me, so I decided to buy it for myself to see if I could do my hands, my gel manicures at home. This was $34. I love it because I remember she would use for sure the foundation and the top it off. So I just said, why not just get the whole kit and see how it goes. And of course, if you're trying to do gel polish, you can't just let it air dry. You have to get a UV light. So I got a little cute UV light. It's white with the pink on the bottom. That was $35. It's a sun UV 24 watts LED UV light. If you're interested in buying any of this, of course I will link everything down below for you so you can get it. I decided at first I was just gonna do my own nails and just try it on, but then I was like, I remember that my nail tech used to take off the top coat by drilling it, so I bought a nail drill. This was $54. This was actually on sale when I got it. I think it's like $67. This one I got the gold edition just because it looks cute. I know I shouldn't do it, but I have a cousin that does nails as well, so I really am leaning on her to teach me, show me how to use a nail drill. I'm just going to do baby steps. I don't feel comfortable doing it on anybody else but myself. That's why I bought everything, just to practice. Also, what else is there to do in a fucking quarantine? Nothing. So that's why, and I'm really excited for this. Another impulse buy that I decided to do was BT Art Box 10,000 lint-free nail cotton wipes. I don't know, I just saw a girl said that you need them and it's like better for you, so I decided to get it because yeah, I was bored and I had nothing else to do. This was $12. The only reason why it was so much is because it comes with the actual acetone dispenser where you could just press on it. So I saw my nail tech use it a lot, so yeah, I was like, maybe I can just try to be like her. For $9, this is my Medley Susie 10-piece nail drill bit set. The only reason why I got it is because the other one doesn't come with the little roller ball, which is for the cuticle, and I always loved how my nail tech would use that to remove all my cuticle and all my old skin. So that's why I decided to get this. I already have a couple things for how to fix, like how to do nails and stuff, so that's why I decided to get this for sure. And just in case if I have a backup, again, impulse purchase. Of course, I bought all of the nail, the stuff for gel nails. I didn't have nail polishes. So there's a brand that I like to follow on Instagram. It's a nail salon. They have their own nail polishes, and I decided to buy a couple of them. I decided to buy some for just like to add into my collection. I bought 5. I went in with the shade 101. This is like a burgundy red. This one is going to be for my mom. She requested to get one, so I got that one for her. Then I got 119. This is for my little sister. She also wants to start practicing on nails, so that's why I bought this one, and she wants this color for her nails specifically. Then I got shade 201, which is a really pretty lilac. The only difference between these two is that this is more blue undertone and this one is more pink undertone. So this is because my friend requested it. I was like, once I get better at doing nails, I can probably do her nails. This is one of them that she requested. My other friend requested 210, which is like a really cute peachy coral color, a little bit of a nude. Sometimes I need a nude for when I go to drill, so I could borrow this color at all times. I was stuck between what colors to use, and this was back in March, and I wanted to use this for St. Patty's Day, but I fucked up, but whatever. I went in with 147 and it's like a neon green. I don't know why I went with it. I just saw some girl have like neon green nails, and I said, fuck it, I want neon green nails. So yeah, I got this one. All of these were $12. I really am excited to see them. The reason why I decided to go with this brand is because they did a full-on color swatch of all their nails, and I was in love with almost all of their colors. Obviously, I don't like the nudes, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I'm so excited to use these. I actually think I'm going to do my nails either today or tomorrow morning. I've been using my Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant for a really long time, and I fucked up and left it in the shower, so I got it ruined. So then I bought a mini, and I'm still using the mini right now, but I decided to fully repurchase this because this is the best daily exfoliant out there. Like, this makes my skin just feel less textured, and it's like the only exfoliant that I really like, and I feel like it's not harsh on your skin. So this shit was $60, but if you're smart and you pay via Ulta, you use your points up, and that's what I did for this baby, so it came out free. For the 21 Days of Beauty, this was on sale as well. So this is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. One of my gurus, skincare gurus on Twitter, decided to do a full thread of what she recommends for the 21 Days of Beauty skincare, and she recommended this, so you know I had to get it. That's it. I just want to try it out because she said it was good. Originally this is $40, but I got it for 20 bucks, so that's a steal for sure. I got the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I don't know, I like trying mascaras when they're like $12 to $15. This is originally $25 and I got it for $12.50. I needed a couple things again from Target, so I decided to go and browse through the makeup selection because there is no other place to look at makeup, and I miss shopping for makeup in person. So I just did a little stop by. For Target, I went to a different store and I found these 2 other colors, which are from the e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadows. This is Rose Water and this one's Pumpkin Pie. These are $3 as well, so I can never say no to cheap makeup. $3, and they're super highly pigmented. Please give them to me. So I decided to get those 2 just to add into my collection. I was watching I Love Sarai, and she recommended this sponge. This is the e.l.f. Camo Conceal Sponge. This sponge was $5 and this is what it says it's for. It is for concealer. I do not like to use it for anything else but that. I like the shape of it. I like how soft this is and the size is amazing. Oh, I'm sorry, this was $6, not $5. So yeah, it's really worth the $6. Then I always see Thomas Halbert recommend these sponges, so I decided to try it out. It's $5. It's a little bit sturdier and heavier. Like, this one's so soft to touch and I can't even go all the way and squish it to the middle. So yeah, it's a little bit harder than usual, but I've been using it and it's cool. I don't mind it. This was $5, so I decided to give it a try. The next product I got is the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. If your foundation is a little bit too orange, you have to use blue to counteract that orange and make it more into a golden tone, yellow tone. So that's why I specifically bought this. Let me tell you, this actually fucking works. It doesn't change the formula of the foundation. The only thing it does is fixes the color. Alright, next thing, I had to go into Walmart to buy more stuff. So what I decided to buy was, I decided to buy another Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach. I really love the one that I have already, so I decided to just try this one out. I decided to pick up the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer in the shade Vanilla 355 because TikTok made me buy it. I'm not gonna lie, TikTok, I've seen it in YouTube, but TikTok was the person that made me buy it because everybody was just going bananas over this. So I picked it up. I haven't tried it yet. Then I want to give a shout out to my girl Esme because she recommended this to me and this is bomb. It makes your hair smell so good. It leaves it so soft and it's so smooth. This is $6. This is magic. It detangles really nicely. It makes it feel super silky soft and I'm obsessed. I forgot to mention how much this is. This is $10 and this was $11. Ulta's still doing the 21 days of beauty and I for sure had to still pick up some things. I haven't received it yet on the mail, so I'm just waiting on it. So I'm gonna just show you a screenshot of what I bought. Speaking about it, like the first thing, I'm a little upset I bought this because of what I think it's breaking me out again. So I got the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil for $14. Now the difference between the one in the picture and this one is that this one is 2.3 fluid ounces. The one I bought online is 6.7 ounces, so it's originally $28, but I got it on sale for $14, which is the size of this. After that, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about the Urban Decay Cosmetics Brow Blade Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil and Ink Stain, and I wanted to try this, so I got two of them. Originally they are $26, but I got them for $13. I decided to get warm brown and soft medium brown just because sometimes I like to have my eyebrows a little bit darker and sometimes I like to have my eyebrows a little bit warmer. It's a give or take. Whenever I want to, I decide what I'm going to do. For everybody that's watching this video, I just want you to know, stay safe, be as careful as you can, just try to wash your hands, be a little bit more aware of what you're doing, be nice, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. I know it's ending in a little serious note, but it is what it is. We'll get through this and there's no issue. If you haven't liked this video, make sure you like it already and just subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.